Hi guys, this is Janit Keshwani. Now I will explain you how to use the Just Textile link to the tree link. Now I will tell you how to go. Click upon the tree link. You will go to the menu of Just Textile. What what are the product available? Now you can see the Just Textile logo also and branding name. We have a Facebook page, Instagram page, YouTube channel, and you can connect to it via WhatsApp direct to me, and Telegram channel for a product. Now you can see down Just Textile products, Just Textile women's wear. We will launch menswear, fabrics, curtains, bed sheets, and etc. Then you can see textile all product. It is a Google Drive link. You can see it, click upon it, and go to the Chrome. Here I have mentioned all the folders like bed sheets, fabrics, curtains, kidswear, menswear, and women's wear. And down it is my contact number. You can save the direct to the your phone. Go to back, put your order. We have listing the products. You can see it. We will update the soon, that only. You can put your inquiries, name, mobile number, and message and send to us. Now go to the women's wear. Now you can see the Just Textile women's wear, and go to back Just Textile main menu. Just Textile saris. Then it is a khadi silk sari. You can see down we have written the PDF and HD image that you can download it. PDF it is a you can view only and download also. Go to the Chrome. Now you can see the image also view like amazing view. You can zoom it. It will be the clarity image. The with the price and folder name and size also printed and colors names are written. In HD image you can go to the Google Drive, Chrome. You can see again details. Go to the folder. You can download from here. You can see the details and photos and combo, full catalog. All those you can download for online like Flipkart, Meesho, those who are doing as well as. Here also same thing. Here also same thing. Go to the back, just textile. Again, I will show you the product link. Go to the women's wear. Kurtis are mentioned. With the HD image, with the all posts and white image also as well as available. With the size chart also we have available here. In sari, just now I have told you in khadi silk, same it is. I have shown you on their link directly how you have reached. You can download it, the HD image. Thank you. Go ahead and give the orders more. We will proceed in 24 hours.